You know, there's an AI tool that you can generate mind maps in minutes. So, it uses the power of AI tool to help you organize your thoughts, concepts and ideas in the most creative and effective way. Let's just get into the PC. Before that, you have to like, comment, share this video, and especially you have to go to my YouTube channel, then you can subscribe on it. First, you have to go to Google, then you have to search as Jayakody AI. Then you can see first link here as generative AI workspace. So you can just click on it and then you will be able to see this amazing website here. Now just click on login button. Now you will be able to go to their dashboard. Okay, just click on this new workspace here. Then you will be able to ask anything by using this text box. Just type something like this: our solar system with planets and top moons. Then just click the mind map option here. Then you can click on this generate button. Now you have to wait a few seconds. Wow. What a great thing is here. Okay, you can see great mind map. Actually, you know what? You can customize this text also. Just click on somewhere. Just click on this select tool and then you can click on this one. Just double click on it and then you can change anything as needed. Also by clicking this again, and you can move this anywhere as needed. Okay, also here you can see you can move this. All the connections will move with the box. Okay, now you see this is so amazing, right? So like this you can generate anything, any type of mind map using this amazing tool, and I hope this tool will make your life more easier and very cool, right? Actually, I'm going to conclude this video now. First of all, you have to share this, like this and comment this. Especially you have to go to my YouTube channel and just click on subscribe button. Thank you.